No skills? No problem. AI does the work. What if I told you that you could start earning money on Fiverr without knowing how to design, write, or code, and still deliver high-quality work to real clients? Sounds impossible? It's not. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and other automation platforms, you can now offer in-demand freelance services without needing traditional skills. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are earning on Fiverr using AI with zero experience, zero special talent, and zero stress. This isn't just theory. I'll walk you through real gigs you can set up today, which tools to use, how to automate the work, and how to deliver professional results your clients will love. You're watching Money Strategies with Prince. Hit subscribe and like if you're ready to let AI do the heavy lifting while you earn smart money. Why Fiverr and why AI? Fiverr is one of the biggest freelancing platforms in the world, with over 4.2 million active buyers looking for services daily. The problem? Most people think they need to be experts in something, like logo design, copywriting, or video editing. But here's the twist. In 2025, AI tools can do most of the work for you. Your role becomes more like a manager. You take client requests, use AI to fulfill them, polish the results, and deliver the final product. You don't need to lie about your skills, you simply need to use the right tools and provide real value. How AI can replace your skills, legally and ethically. Let's clear one thing first. You're not cheating or scamming anyone. When you use AI tools responsibly, you're using technology as a tool, just like a calculator or spreadsheet. Here's how AI fills the skill gap. Writing? ChatGPT, Jasper, or Write Design? Canva, Kittl, and Leonardo AI. Video editing? Pictory and InVideo. Voiceovers? 11 Labs and Murph.ai. Presentations? Tome and Gamma.app. You become the strategist, not the technician. 5 Fiverr gigs you can start without any skills, thanks to AI. Now let's go over 5 gigs you can create and start selling today, even if you've never freelanced before. 1. Blog post writing with ChatGPT. What to offer? SEO-optimized blog posts, product descriptions, or website content. Tools: ChatGPT, Grammarly Free, Hemingway Editor. How to deliver? Ask the client for a topic or brief. Input it into ChatGPT. Edit for clarity. Check for plagiarism using free tools. Deliver as Google Doc or Word file. Pricing: start at $15 to $25 per 1,000-word post. Tip: offer fast delivery and include AI enhanced in your gig if you want transparency. 2nd. Social media content creation using Canva. What to offer? Instagram posts, Pinterest pins, YouTube thumbnails. Tools: Canva Free, plus AI Magic Write, Caption AI. How to deliver? Ask client for niche. Use Canva templates to create visuals. Use ChatGPT for captions. Export. Pricing: $20 to $50 for a content bundle, e.g., 10 posts. Bonus: offer add-ons like scheduling help or hashtag research using ChatGPT. 3. Faceless video creation for YouTube. What to offer? YouTube Shorts, top 10 videos, product reviews. Tools: ChatGPT, Script, Pictory, Video, 11 Labs, Voice, Canva, Thumbnails. How to deliver? Use ChatGPT to write script, convert to video in Pictory. Use VoiceOver AI, export and upload. Pricing: $30 to $100 depending on length. Tip: target niches like finance, health, or tech. High demand, recurring clients. 4. Resume and cover letter writing. What to offer? Resume writing, ATS-friendly formatting, LinkedIn profile optimization. Tools: ChatGPT, Resume Builder Prompt, Google Docs, Zeddy or Resume.io for formatting. How to deliver? Ask for old resume or job info. Use ChatGPT to reword, polish format. Deliver as PDF and Word. Pricing: $25 to $75 per resume or package. Tip: offer bundles with LinkedIn bios or cover letters. 5th PowerPoint presentation design. What to offer? Business decks, class presentations, pitch decks. Tools: ChatGPT, slide content, Canva or Gamma.app, design, tome, AI presentations. How to deliver. Use AI to generate text for slides, format in Canva or Tome, export to PDF or PowerPoint. Pricing, $40 to $150 depending on slide count. Tip. Market to college students, startups, or non-native English speakers. How to get your first clients on Fiverr. 1. Create a professional profile. Upload a clean image. Write a simple bio like, I use AI tools to deliver fast, high-quality content. 2. Use SEO keywords in your gig title, e.g., I will write SEO blog posts with AI and human editing. 3. Upload great gig images. Use Canva mockups. Professional visuals boost trust. Start with a promo price. Offer your gig at a low rate for the first 3 to 5 orders to get reviews. 5. Join Fiverr Facebook groups or Reddit threads, share your new gigs, and offer early bird discounts. Real example, beginner to $500 in 30 days. Someone named Ray, with no prior skills, used ChatGPT and Canva to start a resume writing gig. He charged $25 for a basic resume and $40 for a resume plus LinkedIn profile. Within a month, he had 18 orders. His tools: ChatGPT to reword content, Canva to format, Grammarly to polish, a free Fiverr account. He made over $500 in his first 30 days, part-time, no degree, no certifications, just smart use of AI. How to stand out on Fiverr, even if you're new. 1. Focus on niche gigs. Instead of blog writer, offer blog posts for travel websites or SEO articles for Etsy sellers. 2. Create multiple gigs. Fiverr allows up to 7 gigs for new sellers. Use them. 3. Deliver fast and over-deliver. Add extra tips, templates, or bonuses to stand out. 4. Ask for feedback. Every 5-star review increases your rank and visibility. 5. Use AI to answer client messages. Be fast, friendly, and professional using ChatGPT-generated templates. Mistakes to avoid. Blindly copy-pasting ChatGPT outputs. Always edit and check for clarity. Clients can tell. Overpromising. Stick to what you can do well. Don't offer logo design if you're not confident in AI-generated logos. Ignoring Fiverr SEO, gigs without keywords and titles and tags won't get seen. Low-quality delivery, always proofread and format well. Even AI work needs polish. No samples. Even if you're new, create mock samples using fake data. How much can you earn? In your first 30 days, expect $100 to $500 if you stay consistent. After 2 to 3 months, with solid reviews and 4+ active gigs, you can scale to $1,000+ per month. Many sellers using AI tools now make $3,000 to $10,000 per month, especially in scalable categories like writing, video editing, and social media content. It all comes down to choosing the right gigs, using AI wisely, and showing up daily. The freelance world has changed forever. In 2025, you don't need years of experience or fancy skills to start making money online. With the right tools, mindset, and a little hustle, you can offer real value using AI, even as a total beginner. Fiverr gives you the platform. AI gives you the power. Your job is to take action. This isn't just a side hustle. It could be the start of your freelance freedom. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, give it a like and subscribe to Money Strategies with Prince for more AI-based income strategies.